quarter note on G, the second beat's E. Now remember the half note, 3, 4. So it rings on. So if we play that together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's really important to know because what we're playing here, this is rhythm, as I said previously. 1, 2, 3, let it ring on, 4. Now, look at these notes, and we can see that they're Fs, but let's have a look at what we're playing, and we're playing the same thing. We're playing a quarter note, and then a half note. So it's the same rhythm, and this is the same rhythm, and this is the same rhythm. So, if we go from here, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, third measure, 2,